Welcome back to 5-Minute Meditations for Kids. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're going to be imagining you as a young horse, learning something new just like you sometimes. Maybe it's learning to ride a bike, trying a new hobby, or starting something that feels a little tricky at first. We'll be with the brave horse every step of the way. And remember, just like this horse, you can be brave too. Are you ready? Let's begin. First, find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes if that feels good for you. Take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. Now imagine a big open meadow. The grass is tall and soft, swaying gently in the breeze. The sky is a beautiful, bright blue with a fluffy cloud drifting by. In the middle of this peaceful meadow is a young horse. Its coat is soft and shiny, and its big brown eyes are full of wonder. This horse is curious. It wants to learn how to run fast and free, just like the older horses it watches from a distance. But right now, it's still figuring out how to move its legs in just the right way. This horse is just like you when you're trying something new. It's a little nervous, but it's also excited. Sometimes learning new things can feel scary, but that's okay. We all start somewhere. Now, watch as the horse takes a deep breath, just like you did. It lifts one leg slowly, then the other. At first, it stumbles a little, its legs wobbling beneath it. But that's part of learning, isn't it? We don't always get it right the first time. Take another deep breath with the horse, in and out. And imagine cheering it on in your mind. You can do this, you say. Keep going. The horse tries again. This time it takes a few more steps. It's still not running, but it's getting better. Step by step, it's getting braver. Can you feel how proud the horse is? It's not giving up, and neither will you when you try something new. Now, imagine the horse beginning to run. Its legs are strong and fast now. It's learning how to move with confidence. The wind blows through its mane as it races across the meadow faster and faster. You can see it smile, a big happy smile, because it feels so proud of what it's learned. The horse didn't learn how to run in just one try, but it keeps going, just like you can when things feel tough. Whether it's learning how to do something for the first time or trying again after failing, being brave means not giving up. Now take a deep breath in and out. Feel proud of yourself, just like the horse, for being brave enough to try new things. You're learning, growing, and getting stronger every day. Take one more deep breath in with me. In and out. And when you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes. Thank you for joining me today, my brave friend. Remember, just like the horse, you can always find the courage to keep trying. I can't wait to meditate with you again soon. Until next time, be kind to yourself and keep being brave.
Thanks for joining us today on 5-Minute Meditations for Kids. We hope you found some calm and focus. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a moment of mindfulness.
And if you have a minute, we'd love for you to leave us a 5-star rating and review. It really helps other families find their calm too. Thank you for the support, and we will see you next time.